Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a super impressive number cupcakes from scratch. Firstly, you do a sketch of whatever number or alphabet you're working with on a piece of paper and you can cut that out with the scissors. And if you're not so confident about doing a freehand sketch, you can always use a printer to print it out. And if this is something you do often, you can pre-make your template from 0 to 9 to make your work easy the next time you're doing it. Next, you want to draw out your template on a white cardboard. In this video, I'm using a 400 grammage cardboard for my cake box. After tracing it out, you want to cut out your lines using a craft knife or a scissors. I prefer to use the craft knife to cut out the inner parts and then the scissors to cut out the outer parts. Using a long strip of cardboard that measures 2.5 inches in height, I folded in half an inch as the parts that I'm going to tuck in to my number template. I like to work my way from the inner part of the number or letter that I am working on because that's most likely difficult part of the work. So you want to work your way from the inner part to the outer part. Working my way through the corners of the number, I make incisions on the half-inch part of the long strip and then fold the 2-inch part. After working your way through all the corners of the number, you want to apply glue on the half-inch part and stick it to the number template and just work your way around and it gives you an amazing box. I did just the same with the number 4 and in no time I have a 40 box ready to be filled with cupcakes and yummy treats. As much as possible, avoid using glue with strong smells as the smell of the glue can get into what you have in your box and you do not want that. And then onto the cupcakes. The theme I'm doing for this box is pink, blue and gold. I'm pretty much going to use the Russian tip, the leaf tip and the 1M tip to pipe lovely designs on the cupcakes. To make the flowers with the Russian tip, I'm pretty much going to smudge my piping bag with pink frosting and then later on add plain frosting just to give it a realistic look of flower. I'm equally using some truffles, which I have pre-made earlier for this box, and I'm just drizzling with white chocolate. At this point, I refrigerated my cupcakes just so they firm up and they don't get smudged when I'm arranging them in the box. And I'm using the shredded crepe paper as fillers for my box, and as you can see, it's pink and it goes with the color that I am working with. I'm using white chocolate to stick down my cupcake to the box so they don't get moving during delivery. After arranging your cupcakes, you want to fill in the remaining spaces in between the cupcakes with either pre-made treats or store-bought treats and beautiful decorations to make it look amazing. Or you can equally fill in the entire box with just cupcakes and no other thing in between. If you have watched this long, thank you so much. I believe you enjoyed the video. Kindly show us a little love by subscribing to our channel and remember to turn on the notification bell. If you have any question on this or what you would like to see in the future, kindly drop a comment down below. Thank you